So we are navigating the dark world with white cane.
Black world with white cane. It said a blind cannot lead a blind. I'm trying to defy this. Today I'm leading him, this blind man. This is a genetically modified ape learning to climb the tree. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my two blind friends. In fact, it's 2.5 because my camera person is half blind, so 2.5 blind people are here. Right now we are on the top of Changangkha. We are going to go for a walk on this Changangkha Kuensel Phodrang track. So please stay with me till the end. I'm going to take you through this beautiful walk. Okay, the signboard here says every step counts toward a healthier you. So with every step I'm becoming healthier. My friend is saying that there is a beautiful view from here. So this side you can see Taba, and this side is Babesa. So it looks like the view is spectacular, very beautiful. I hope you are able to see what I'm trying to show. Okay, here is a little bit of risky patch of path is there. If I go a little bit towards the left, it will be the end of my vlog if I follow. Okay, go, continue.
This is how we navigate the world
With the white cane.
with the white cane.
Before the International White Cane Safety Day.
We are already celebrating it. So we are navigating the dark world with white cane.
Black world with white cane.
Whatever it may be.
All the way. So. Bridge. Traditional bridge. Okay, now we have stopped here for a short break. It has been not even an hour since we have started our walk, so I don't know where we have reached, but we are still in the middle of the woods. We have fresh air, and it's very refreshing. We have some shade also, so we are just taking a short rest here. I think we still have more than halfway to go more. Okay, let's go on now. If you keep on taking rest, we'll never reach the other end.
Don't wave your hands here.
What is there? Okay, we have reached another vantage point. From here, you can enjoy the view of Tanakha, this side, and Changangkha, and I'm told here it is Thimphu Bhutan area. So please enjoy the view.
Nature has no Wi-Fi, but you will find a better connection. Same ba? Ano do marela?
We are being kind to the nature. We are sitting nicely on the nature. Okay, the time right now is 3:25 p.m. in the afternoon. We have taken a little bit more rest here. We rested for about half an hour. We took some energy drinks. We rejuvenated ourselves. Now we are continuing. Let's go.
Now spotlight is on.
So should I lead the wheel now?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Oh, I'm leading downward.
Downward. Going to go back.
Yes, yes. Please, please. Downward, downward, downward.
This is what?
This is pillar.
Oh, this is the. Come, jump, jump.
No, no jumping. Jumping will break the leg.
I'm leading the team now.
We are leading the game of cinema.
So they are trusting me.
You don't have capacity to lead
In
the
the-
gang of modern
In the Bible, I heard that it said a blind cannot lead a blind. So I'm trying to defy this. Today I'm leading him, this blind man. There are some grasses here.
Let them be there. Don't destroy. Let them be there.
Okay, now I think we have started our descent, right? We are
No.
going down and down.
And we will climb again.
Not
Oh.
actually descent.
This is only a temporary descent. Hello. Where are you going?
Going to where
Are
I
you
live.
blind? Looks like you're blind because you have this napkin in your hand.
I want to answer your first question first. I'm going where I'm heading to.
No. Okay, I think we have reached another vintage point from here. We can see Babesa and parts of Thimphu Bhutan. My friend is saying it's so beautiful. I'm hopeful that you're also able to enjoy it. We are still walking.
공수 공수하다 공수.
Tapa kami?
맞다 지엄지.
Tomorrow rock trench, Nijam Valley.
아우.
Yeah, I think
아니, rum에 피어베로가.
it's not possible with the shoes.
용만이. Qu'est-ce que c'est? 야, 지지요, 진짜
Okay,
알래.
okay.
진짜 알래.
공 그렇게 공짜.
야, 자 빨리 해줘.
아우.
Okay,
예, success.
this is a modern day ape. This is a genetically modified ape learning to climb the tree. Brake has failed.
multiple times.
I've run from there to here in a second.
동다 왔다.
Gata sa tag mga dongte.
Gata tabi kes. Gata so gata gung din log dile galami. Ta dong ta din so gata gung gorlas.
Boyfriend rak lani oy. 오늘 gata tong dongta 1 meter 가 아니 웍절에 내 탔다서.
어떻게 해 후드 끌래.
1 meter 거 왕절에 치킨 결라. 떡새 땅한 대저거나 나지.
브레이크 펠러에 쏙쏙 닦고 싶네.
I'm guiding this blind man. He does not.
I'm guiding the
He
one
can't
who can
see.
also guide me, the king.
He can't see, so I'm helping him. I'm his assistant for today. Oh, there is a stick
야,
here.
너 룽싱 주명하잖아. 빨라.
Kuensel Phodrang gate. Finally, we made it. After almost 3 hours.
3 hours. Yes.
So after almost 3 hours, starting from Changangkha, we have reached here. Now from here again, we will have to walk to the town. We have to follow the highway. We are going to walk down to the town. Okay, finally, we are back at my place. So we really enjoyed our walk. So 3 of us really had a good time. So I hope you might have enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and share. Also, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications for similar updates. And if you can see the hype button and the like button, please do not forget to press that as well. That will help me boost my channel. Until next time, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.